Hi everyone, it's Elise from Bound to Journal. I do apologise, I'm in my pyjamas. I've just got home, it's absolutely freezing cold, so I'm just trying to warm up. But wanted to show you this, the latest journal that I've made. It's beautiful paper, it's Tim Holtz paper, and I've called the book Little Birds because it's covered in little birds. Usual size journal with 6 signatures. I've added some little corner bits as well to this one, which I thought suited. So we'll just do a quick flick through for you. So Edith Holden words. There is a lot of sewing in this one, and I've left all the threads long, so that if you want to, you can cut them or you can leave them or whatever. It's just a rusty pin there, a little pocket. Some numbers, more flowers, flip out, just a middle section, and some little cards as well, journaling cards, which I thought quite cute. And the tiny flip out which has been sewn in. The other side of the pocket, a little journaling card there, and that also flips out. It's a bigger size flip out there. Again, that's Edith Holden. All of the pages are tea dyed. That's a little, you can put something in there. So as you can see, there's tons of places to write or draw or whatever. One of the little journaling cards. That's a little tuck spot as well. Another journaling card. Hope you're still staying well. Unfortunately, we're in Tier 3, so in the UK, Tier 3 is the most serious. And where I work is in the next county, and that's Tier 3 as well. So everybody is staying very much away from everybody, which is really sad, but hopefully one day soon. And now we have the virus, the injection now that we can have. Hopefully that day will come even sooner. I can't imagine a day when you can actually go and just hug somebody. It would be very strange indeed. I'll stop there. In fact, I'll put that just in there. Don't know quite how that got missed, but there you go. Some extra space there to journal on. Another card, journaling card. So there we go. I'm going to put this onto my Etsy store very shortly. I have been asked to do some videos about how I make my books and various stamping techniques and things, so over the Christmas holidays I will be trying to do some because I've got some time off work, so look out for those. Thank you so much for supporting me, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.